Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I did this burgundy gold eye makeup as well as a full face makeup. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Just like any other makeup application, you'd always have to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your face. Here I am using Boscia Revitalizing Black Charcoal Hydration Gel. This is a cooling gel moisturizer, and it also minimizes the appearance of pores. Then I'm going to take my MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow in Kid using my Sigma Beauty E40 tapered blending brush for my eyeshadow base. I would usually do this step in order for my eyeshadow to have a smoother application, and it's always good to start off with a light or nude tone eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow in Saddle using my Sigma Beauty E25 blending brush and start applying the color onto the outer corner of my crease and slowly build up the color. This is the safest way to create a subtle transition eyeshadow color. Then I'm going to take this maroon eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics in Deep Damson using my Sigma Beauty E45 small tapered blending brush and apply it over to the saddle eyeshadow. The reason why we're using a small tapered brush is to keep the transition color and the darker color blend together. We wanted to achieve that gradient eyeshadow look. Next, I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics using my Sigma Beauty E57 firm shader brush and slowly pat the color on the ball of my eyelids. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation using my Beauty Blender. I'm sure you've heard the hype about Rihanna's new makeup line. I've got this from Sephora, and this foundation has a wide variety of shades. It has 40 shades, guys. She truly did her research. This foundation is semi-matte finish and it's a medium to full coverage. I must say though that this foundation tends to get dry out quickly, so I would suggest that it's better to blend it as you apply. And I will be using the Amazing Cosmetics Concealer using my Sigma Beauty F75 brush. Then I'm going to line my eyes using Tarte Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner. Then I'm going to apply the same colors I've used on my upper eyelids to my lower lash line using my MAC Cosmetics Pencil Brush 219 for the light shade, and for the dark shade I will be using my Delium Tools 755 Smudge Brush. Then I'm going to curl my lashes using Shiseido Curl Lash and then apply a coat or two to fill in my upper and lower lashes. Here I will be using Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Then I will be using Lily Lashes in Miami for my false eyelashes. These are really gorgeous lashes. It's lightweight and it's super soft. Although I must say that these lashes are on the pricier side. But the good thing about it is that you can reuse these lashes over time. Then I'm going to set my foundation using Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Powder. I would normally do a press and roll motion. And for my personal preference, I find this technique a very useful and the safest way to not leave any residue. But if you prefer using a brush, you may do that as well. Next, I am going to take my favorite powder blush, and this is the MAC Cosmetics Powder Blush in Harmony, using my Sigma Beauty F10 brush and apply it in an upward motion. Then I will be taking this Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Trophy Wife. Then I will be taking my Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight Highlighter Using my Sigma Beauty F03 High Cheekbone Brush, I forgot how good this highlighter was because there are so many options to choose from. But this one right here is my latest favorite, as it glides on easily like a butter, and it's an iridescent and has a gradient color. This is on the pricier side, but I would recommend this. It's definitely worth your money. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next video, have fun. Bye.
You rock.
Wave.
Wave.
Bye.
I said wave.